let's start. This is part 2 of Kraft Cooking liquor preparation. We're going to continue on where we left off. So with equation 3, let's rewrite this out. Na2S equals, bear with me, it lags a little bit, percent sulfite times the effective alkali. And that is all over 1 minus 1/2 times the percent sulfidity. Okay. So let's substitute our numbers in. Step 3, Na2S equals, and recall that our percent sulfidity is 25%, so it's 0.25, times our calculated effective alkali of 75 grams per liter. That is all over 1 minus 0.5 times 0.25, which is equal to 18.75 divided by 0.875 for a calculated amount of 21.42 grams per liter as Na2O. Remember, it's always in terms of Na2O equivalents. Alright, so now let's calculate the concentration of caustic that we have. Step 4. So the concentration of NaOH equals, so that's your effective alkali, minus 1/2 the concentration of Na2S. So I just rearranged the equation a bit. And that equals 75 grams per liter minus 0.5 times our calculated value of 21.42 for the Na2S that we just determined from equation 3. And that gives us a value of 64.29 grams per liter as Na2O. So let's go ahead and convert this, because we need to be able to weigh it out. Let's go ahead and convert this into NaOH. So 64.29 grams per liter, we know from our previous video, is 2 moles of NaOH per mole of Na2O. And we multiply that times 1 mole of Na2O gives you 62 grams of Na2O. That's the ratio. And now we're going to convert that to NaOH. So multiply that times 40 grams of NaOH for every mole of NaOH consumed. Okay. Multiply that out, and you'll see that's the ratio of 80 over 62. That equals 82.95 grams per liter as NaOH. So that means you're going to have to weigh out 82.95 grams of NaOH for every liter you produce. Alright, so let's calculate now the concentration of Na2S that we need in terms of Na2S. Okay, step 5. So the concentration of Na2S equals, so recall our calculated value for equation 3, 21.42 grams per liter. And for every mole of Na2O, we get 62 grams of Na2O. And for every mole of Na2S, we get 1 mole of Na2O. And then for every mole of Na2S, there are 78 grams of Na2S. Okay. So we multiply all this out. If you recall from video 1, that's a ratio of 78 over 62. So multiplied, our answer is 26.95 grams per liter as Na2S. So if you're making up 1 liter of white liquor, this is the amount of Na2S that you would weigh out.